Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use Fireflies AI to take meeting notes automatically. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So Firefly AI is an AI meeting assistant that joins your call, records audio, transcribes it, and generates automatic notes, summaries, and action items. It works with Zoom, Google Meet, MS Teams, and more. So for this, you need to first of all set up your Fireflies account. So you need to simply type in the URL fireflies.ai and get into the official website. Now you need to log in and create a free account using Google, Microsoft, or email. After this, you need to connect your calendar so Fireflies can join your scheduled meeting. After you have done this, you can invite Fireflies to your meeting. Once integrated, you can simply invite Fireflies to meeting by adding Meet at Red Fireflies AI as a participant. Now, it will record and transcribe all the audio automatically, and you can access the notes and summaries by going to Firefly's dashboard. You will see transcripts, smart notes, action items, and stuff. You can even share and collaborate by using the PDF, docs, or CSV files, and you're all set. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.